Dart Impact Tester more effectively. Plastic films being used in different industries provide a barrier against the rough handling and shipping of products. Therefore, conducting Dart Impact tests is essential to guarantee the durability of your packaging films and ensure the safe delivery of products to customers. Presto, a leading manufacturer of Dart Impact testers in Asia, offers high-quality testing equipment designed to meet stringent standards. The Presto Dart Impact Tester is used for determining the impact of a free-falling dart on a plastic film. The energy of the falling dart causes the film to fail under specified conditions. The dart has a hemispherical head and is held by a strong electromagnetic dart holder. As we plug in, instrument will get start and HMI screen will get on. Main screen as you start the equipment. Then main screen will be open. Touch on screen on manual, optional screen will shows below screen. Select method setting from menu screen. Next screen will be open as per below. Method A. User has to enter values for Dart Impact test. After selecting method, enter dart weight and method. Test will perform by using start key from above screen. The clamped button and magnet will automatically turn on. After performing, test data will be saved automatically in data history. The Dart Impact Tester has applications across various industries that includes packaging industry, plastics industry, pharmaceutical industry. Technical specifications of Dart Impact Tester, primer model. Contact us now for your lab testing needs.